Welcome back to the Freemouse MC YouTube channel, and I'm today going to share with you my secret project of the last winter, the motorcycle surfboard rack. Yes, you heard that right. I built my own motorcycle surfboard rack over the winter. I was sitting for like the last winter with my uncle in his shed. We designed this thing, tried to see how can we make this work with all different kinds of board sizes. How is it like rigid enough, properly fits on the bike. And now we're finally done, just in time for the next motorcycle surf trip. That's kind of the reason why I wanted to do this thing, because at the moment there isn't a surfboard rack available for this motorcycle, but they used to be in the past, so I want to bring it back because it's just so fun and it's a lot easier to find parking at the surf spot with this. And also to get in a little bit, like we will show the motorcycle surfboard rack in action, transport my riverboard with it in a second. It also works for like really big surfboards. I also want to share some of the behind the scenes reasons why I'm now bringing out this mount. It's kind of a way of trying to make this channel survive because we're actually facing some issues. I started this channel back in 2021 with the background of the economic fallout after the pandemic. Finding a job was really difficult. Finishing university was really difficult. There was only online uni. And as a young person, it was pretty difficult to just get like anything going. So I was like, we're doing YouTube now, and really put my everything into trying to get that going, and was actually quite successful with it. Got the channel to the size it is now, and also kind of entered the industry to knowing how this whole thing works, knowing people from the big channels and so on. And yeah, the problem is a little bit the views from YouTube don't manage to finance this kind of content, not in the slightest, not even the gas that the production of these videos cost. With Google AdSense money basically not covering the cost to run a channel like this at all, you're kind of relying on corporations out of the industry, and this is where it gets really difficult at the moment. There are a few exceptions, like Beeline, which are a reliable and recurring partner on the channel, and also Royal Enfield, who supported the trip through the Himalayas and in general is open to supporting creative projects like also the upcoming motorcycle surf trip. They're not the only ones who properly support creative labor. However, it has to be said the majority of this industry relies on exploitative unpaid labor. With the carrot of future paid projects, however, with partially influencers with over 500,000 followers going unpaid, the carrot behind the stick is gone. This is also due to big influencers partially missing the most basic business administration skills, which threaten to put other creative fields of work like motorcycle journalists and photographers and other people out of business. And that was one of the motivations to, try to change things up and make my own product and make this motorcycle surfboard mount. So let's get it on the bike and see how it goes. As you can see, I built a quick release mechanism into the mount so that you can easily put the mount on and take it off. And at the back, it's secured with a screw on the other side that also can be very quickly put on and removed. And now I was on my way with my surfboard on the side of my motorbike to my Afterwork surf session, which is just a really special and nice feel to navigate the city, knowing that you have a good time in front of yourself. This surf spot is in summer a bit smaller both in its width and in the height of the wave. However, it's really fun and nice, and I'm currently practicing my rail grab cutback, which I'm making some good progress on, and it's a really nice thing to do on a warm summer day. I'm way too This thing definitely gets a lot of views standing at the stoplight and just driving through the city with the sun being basically set and feeling the cold breeze on the wet skin is a really, really lovely experience. So it's slowly getting dark. I still have wet hair from the river wave. The river wave was alright, but a bit weak, but nevertheless, by next week, most likely, I'm going to be in Biarritz exploring the Pays de Basque and the Wheels and Waves Festival with this surfboard mount on the side. And honestly, I'm so proud of this thing being finished because this thing doesn't exist right now for this bike. And like the people that want to have it couldn't have it for a long time, and now it's again available. If you found this video through looking for a motorcycle surf mount, the link is down in the description. If you like motorbiking and surfing, definitely check it out. The link is going to be in the description and in the pinned comment. With the motorcycle surfboard mount being a small batch product made by hand in Germany specifically for the Royal Enfield 650 twins, it's going to be 690 euros. Local taxes apply through the platform Wall, which will handle those at checkout. I hope you guys really enjoy this motorcycle surfboard rack that you can go with your motorbike to the beach with and catch some waves. Definitely check out the links and see you guys in the next video.